What's going on, guys? Nation here, and today we are going to be building a loader for a hopper minecart. Now this is a pretty simple loader. I more or less came up with it just kind of earlier, a little bit of inspiration from a YouTube video I had seen. I'll put the YouTube video link in the description below. But for now, go ahead and just place about 4 blocks like this. It doesn't have to be 4, honestly. For the loader itself, it really only needs to be this block that you need placed down. You don't really need the other 2 for the rails. That would just be where it goes off to, whether it's like a storage system, a furnace array, something along those lines. You're going to go ahead and place on the side with the power rail 2 blocks and another power rail on top of the highest block. Break it and then place another block. Then you're going to come out the side over here. Then this is going to be our first circuit. This circuit here is going to be what tells the system that the minecart is full. So what you're going to do is place a comparator here and a comparator here set to subtract mode. And then right here behind this comparator, you're going to place a hopper. Now quickly go ahead and just grab any non-stackable item. Honestly, a shovel is probably going to be your cheapest bet. Bring it in there and just drag it all the way across. Boom. Fill it all the way up with non-stackable items. Now go ahead and bring this out this way. Take a redstone torch and come off the side. And we'll come back to this area here in a second. Now we're going to go ahead and start on our other system, which tells us whether the hopper is empty or not, which the hopper should be placed right here, along with a chest going just above it. Now out the back, we're going to go ahead and place in another comparator, with another comparator running out the back of it. 2 blocks like so, with redstone and a repeater. On the other side of this block, you're going to want another repeater. And in front of that repeater, you're going to want a sticky piston facing this direction. After you place down that sticky piston, go and place down any sort of fence that you like in front of it. In fact, that sticky piston needs to be moved back 1 block. It needs to be right in front of that repeater right there. Now this is pretty much the circuit done. All done and dusted. The only thing we're missing is around the back over here. We're going to place a sticky piston with 2 slime blocks on top of it. And this is what completes this circuit here. Now that we've placed in that, pretty much what it does is anytime that the hopper minecart is full, this detector rail right here will detect so, and because it will be full, this is set to subtract mode, it'll know to turn this off, turning on this torch, lifting up this piston, and blocking the signal, which is basically just a constantly on signal because the hopper is probably never going to be empty unless you're actually loading like small amounts of things. So if we really want to go ahead and give this a try real quick, we can. I'm going to go ahead and just place in a couple powered rails, little redstone torch, and now if we take our hopper minecart, also put some items in here, boom, let that roll up in there. Okay, minor issue there. This wasn't filling up fast enough. So pretty much you just place that down once this hopper is full and it'll just collect everything, send it through, which this is actually a pretty quick item. So come on, cycle through so I can show you. And keep an eye on that right there. Boom. That basically just means that this hopper here is completely full, and it will subtract it from whatever this number is, which was still also full, which equals 0, which cancels out the signal, and y'all know how comparators work. So that's pretty much just how to build this system. I know it was a short video, but it was an interesting video. I kind of figured this out earlier today and just decided I'd make a video on it. I know it's been a while, but I'll make sure to post more. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, leave a like. If you want to see different kind of content, comment down below what you want to see, and I will look into it. Other than that, guys, I'll talk to you later. Peace.